welcome to another exciting episode of Clickbait, a brand new show on cybersecurity brought to you by IT Voice. I am Avishka, presenting the show to keep you informed about the latest threats and trends in cybersecurity, helping you stay secure online. Today we look into some important news stories and topics to ensure that you are well equipped with the knowledge you need to protect yourself in this digital world. Firstly, strengthening cybersecurity insights from the CISO workshop. On September 18, 2024, the National E-Governance Division held a pivotal CISO workshop on cybersecurity in New Delhi, part of Cyber Surakshit Bharat initiative. Over 250 chief information security officers and IT professionals gathered to discuss the future of cybersecurity. Speakers, including MeitY officials, emphasized the need for independent security teams and importance of sharing threat intelligence while maintaining confidentiality. They also highlighted the growing role of CISOs in managing emerging technologies. With a successful training program that has reached over 1,600 professionals, this workshop aims to equip organizations to tackle cybersecurity effectively and foster a secure digital environment. Exciting news for Tenable: this cybersecurity firm has appointed Rajneesh Gupta as Managing Director for India and the SAARC region. In his new role, Gupta will superhead strategic initiative and oversee operations to drive business growth. His extensive experience in IT and cybersecurity, including roles at Palo Alto Networks and Microsoft, will be the key in expanding Tenable's cloud capabilities and exposure management program. Gupta emphasizes the need for security solutions that help organizations understand and manage cyber risks, especially as the attack landscape becomes more complex. With his leadership, Tenable aims to meet the evolving security needs of clients across regions. Now, Assam takes a bold step against cybersecurity with new forensic lab. Combat rising cybersecurity frauds, Assam will launch India's second National Cyber Forensic Lab at the Lachit Barpukam Police Academy in Dergaon. This initiative, part of a national strategy to strengthen law enforcement's response to online threats, is made possible through a partnership with Indian Cyber Crime Coordination Center. Chief Minister Dr. Himanta Biswa Sarma highlighted the lab's importance in improving investigations and prosecutions of cybercrimes. The NCFL will complement the existing lab in Tripura, providing resources and trainings for police. With over 20,000 trading scams reportedly in early 2024, this lab is crucial for enhancing Assam's cyber defenses. Now, countries strengthen cybersecurity as India rises to Tier 1. Countries are stepping up for their cybersecurity game, with many now in establishing or evolving stages. A report highlights that 105 nations need to better integrate cybersecurity alongside their expanding digital services. Common issues include lack of skills, staffing, and funding. Legal measures are crucial, with 177 countries having regulations on data precaution or breach notification. India has made impressive strides, ranking in Tier 1 for its strong cybersecurity commitments, especially in legal and technical areas, while still needing to enhance its organizational strategy. This progress is vital for safely navigating today's digital landscape. Moving on to the next news: invisible warfare, a new era of conflict. In a shocking turn, Hezbollah's secure communication devices were hacked, triggering deadly explosion in Lebanon, killing 9 and injuring over 2,800. What once was thought safe, trusted pager network became a weapon of destruction. With the rise of cyber warfare, military strategies must now include the digital realm, where even outdated technology is vulnerable. The incident highlights the dangerous shift in modern conflict, where battles are fought with data and algorithms, leaving traditional defenses exposed. As cyber attacks grow, no organization, no matter how secure, can consider itself safe. Last but not the least, rising cyber threats, India on alert. A recent report reveals that Indian computer users faced over 10 million online cyber threats and 14 million local incidents from April to June this year. Kaspersky Security Network identified fileless malware as the most dangerous threat due to stealthy nature. Phishing, baiting, and pre-testing also remain common tactics used by cyber criminals. The report notes that around 20% of Indian users encounter web-based attacks, with hackers exploiting browser vulnerabilities to infect systems. Jaideep Singh from Kaspersky emphasized that as users become more digital savvy, the threat landscape expands, making them increasingly vulnerable. He also pointed out that cyber criminals are increasingly using artificial intelligence to exploit weakness. Thanks for joining us on Clickbait. We have covered some critical cybersecurity news today. What are your thoughts on these developments? Share your insights and questions in the comments below. Let's build a strong cybersecurity community together. Like and subscribe to our channel if you've enjoyed this video. See you next time.